Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you top 3 best cleaning services WordPress themes that you can use for your cleaning service, agency or business. Now, first on this list is called Divi theme. Now with Divi theme, you actually have a cleaning company landing page Divi layout, as you can see. Now, if we click here on live demo, you will see that you can actually create this for your own company. As you can see, it looks professional. It looks really clean, as you can see down below. And you have a lot of different features that you can use and add right here. You can obviously customize this by your, by your liking, and you can add other services or remove other services here and use this template. And you can also, create your pricing plans and everything like this. So this is only one template on Divi. You have a lot of different templates that you can use, but this is one cleaning template. Now, if you want to use Divi, Divi comes at a really great price, which is $250 just one time, and you can use it whenever you want and however much you want. So it's a really great theme for cleaning services, in my opinion. It's really elegant theme as well, as the name says, elegant themes. So definitely check out this website theme for WordPress. It's a really great theme. Now, second theme on this list is called Clinics right here. As you can see, Clinics is a cleaning service WordPress theme. Now, this is just for cleaning services. This is exactly for that. So it costs $40. This is if you're on a budget and you want to buy it. And as you can see, you can also click live preview right here, and you can see how this looks like. It looks really clean, really awesome. It does the job, especially for the cleaning service business. And you can also basically create a simple landing page like this one, right? Where you have every single cleaning service right here displayed. And you also have, obviously, why choose us. It looks really awesome, as you can see. And you have a lot of different, templates, not just this template. But yeah, it costs $39. It's really awesome. It's really simple. And you have a 12-hour real-time support team to help you with your customization of the theme and everything like that. So this is number 2 on this list. Number 3 is Avada. Now, Avada is a website builder for WordPress and WooCommerce, but it also serves purpose for cleaning services or cleaning businesses. As you can see, if we click on live preview, we can go here and we can see that Avada has a lot of different things, and it has that drag and drop website building so that you can start building ASAP. Now, as you can see, you have a lot of different things here on Avada. You have live visual builder, layout builder, header builder, footer builder. If you want a more advanced website, then use Avada. Avada is great for that. If you want a more simpler website, then definitely use Clinics, as I showed you here. Now, Avada comes at a price which is $70 right now. I think it's around $100 when you use extend support. Yeah, around $90, as you can see, almost 91. And it's definitely a great tool for building WordPress website for your cleaning business. Now, you have a lot of different templates on Avada. You have 120 plus design templates, 83 pre-built You have 83 pre-built websites, and it's built for performance, which is awesome. And it's also mobile friendly, which is great. Now, these are basically 3 best cleaning services WordPress themes right now. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.